And as we've mentioned, this extreme heat can be dangerous for you and your family.
Health and wellness reporter Lauren Petty is joining us now with a look at our health headlines today, starting off with this excessive heat that we've got right now. Lauren?
Yeah, I think we're going to be talking about this for a little bit, but when temperatures get this hot, people do need to take precautions to protect themselves. And that includes staying inside with the air conditioning if at all possible. Keeping your curtains closed can help as well. Now, if you do have to go out, try to stay in the shade. Wear loose-fitting, light-colored clothing, and of course, you want to be drinking plenty of water. You also want to make sure your kids are prepared as they head to school.
And hydration, hydration, hydration. So make sure that your kids are carrying a water bottle with them and they take sips all throughout the day. Snacks are very good as well too, and they're very hydrating. So you can send them with a little pack of grapes, a little bit pieces of oranges cut up as well too, that are going to be cool and ready for them to take and hydrate as well with.
Adults can do that too, by the way. And as we move toward fall and cold and flu season, we could also see another increase in COVID cases. So here's what you need to know right now. There are some new symptoms to watch out for with newer variants. It's not necessarily a fever and shortness of breath anymore. Many patients are getting a sore throat, cough, and gastrointestinal symptoms. Now, updated COVID shots, they are now FDA approved as of last week. They're making their way into pharmacies nationwide. If you do get sick with the virus, the CDC did update its guidance earlier this year. You no longer need to isolate for 5 days. Be sure to stay home while you have symptoms and until you're fever-free for 24 hours. And another note for you, a new round of free COVID tests is coming. The Biden administration says the tests will be available in late September, and that's to help protect families for the holiday season. You'll be able to order up to 4 at-home tests when the program opens. They will be available on the website covidtests.gov. And there is an important recall we want to tell you about if you buy apple juice from Walmart. The company is now recalling its Great Value brand apple juice because of elevated arsenic levels. The 8-ounce plastic bottles were sold in several states, including in Illinois and Indiana. The FDA says the concern is inorganic arsenic, which is usually linked to contaminated water and can be dangerous with regular exposure. But the recall notice says that these levels, there's only a remote possibility of serious health risks. Again, the reason for this recall is that inorganic arsenic levels, you probably know arsenic is naturally occurring at low levels, even in apples, but this is something different. Alex?
All right, thanks so much, Lauren. Appreciate the information.